Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to change the light bulb for the coin tray. So it's right here, and the first step to do is just take off the ashtray cover, which is right here, pop it open. So what you can do next is pop this out, find a cord, pop it out. So what you're gonna do next, after you pop the cover out, find a cord, you're gonna twist this black thin piece right here. Let's see what we can do right here. As you can see. So I took mine before, took my little light bulb out, had to order a new one. Cost me about like $6 to $8, and that's a bulb size number you need. Is that small? You can get it from Honda, Amazon, anywhere else. And then just plug and play. Put it back in, and just put the cover back in as well.